How to download Messenger Lite. So if you want to download Messenger Lite, then first of all check your internet connection, see that if it's stable or not, and if it's stable, then open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go for the upper side which has that search bar and search for Messenger Lite. And after searching, here you will have this application, right? So here this is the Messenger Lite application. So if you want to install this application, then you will have install button, but for now I have already installed this application. So if you want to install this application, then you will have install. Simply tap on that install button and it will start downloading or start installing. And it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And once it's downloaded, you will have an open button which is here on the right side. You can simply tap on that open button, and once you tap on that open button, you can log into your Messenger and use your Messenger application. So that's it. That's how you download Messenger Lite from your Play Store on your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.